Guys, welcome back to another video on Rachel and Ryan. In today's video, we are going to review the Grand Hyatt breakfast lounge, and all the snacks you can get at the lounge, including continental breakfast, snacks, hors d'oeuvres, and dessert. So there's 4, and that's what we're gonna do today. So I hope you enjoy it. And before this video starts, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's gonna be right up here. Also, follow us on Instagram at Rachel and Ryan YT. As you can see, we are here at Kauai, and if you have ever been to Kauai, make sure you comment that down below, and also like and share this video, please. That would be very appreciated. So let's start this video.
You can look inside of the outside lounge. Right now, we are going to be heading to the lounge and showing you what's there and how big it is and what it can provide. And if you haven't already, you should probably watch our hotel room tour before this because it's really interesting.
Yeah, it looks like this, the thumbnail.
Yeah. Come on, boys.
Down, boys. Grand Lounge.
What they offer at the lounge: there's salad, baked grilled vegetables, zucchini, cucumber, broccoli, spinach or artichoke dip, hummus, big rigatoni, cookies, and pita bread. Is it good? Yay!
The rigatoni tastes really good. Tastes like something you can get from a restaurant. Pita bread goes really well with hummus. Pineapple juice, pretty fresh. It's a little too sweet, I think, but overall it's really good. Here's another plate. So here's another plate of basically the same thing, except this time there's taro chips, and yeah, looks good. Round 2, we got more pita bread, spinach dip, hummus, pasta, that bread, milk. I'm enjoying this nice snickerdoodle cookie. Delish, thanks lounge.
Man, it was good because I like the caramel apple with nuts cookie. It's so good.
Here we are here at Accents. Get all these stuff. If you ever need anything like suntan stuff, snacks.
Got a cup of fruit and a custard cake and white chocolate macadamia nut cookie.
Ready for dessert, I got some strawberries, pineapple, blackberries, blueberries, and over here is some tarts, some cherry pie, some cakes, and brownies, and more. And yeah, so as you saw earlier, those foods are really good, very good. So yeah, dessert 7:30 to 8:30. So as you enter the lounge, this is the entrance. There's a bathroom here. You can go to reception desk with all the stuff in it, like map of Kauai and stuff, and they can help you ask where the activities are. It's a nice 4-seater. It's the entire place. Wow. There's a nice long table here, a smaller room down there, and the food center over there. that's it. It's pretty spacious. There's a lot of seating here. It's like here, and outside too. And highly recommended because it's big. It's very big. There's a lot of delicious food, and yeah, it's open. And there's like 4 meals you can get. There's breakfast, hors d'oeuvres, snacks, and nighttime, which is dessert. So all very yummy and highly liked.
It's also very nice that we are on the 4th floor, and right below us is basically the lounge. You just have to take like 30 steps and some staircases, which is very convenient.
We are waking up to a beautiful morning here at Kauai with the sun rising up over there. Very nice. And right now we're about to head to breakfast and show you what it is at the lounge. It is a continental breakfast that is open from 6 to 10 a.m. So that's where we're gonna head right now. So we'll see you there, I guess, because you already know where to go.
I already started eating, but I got oatmeal with granola, cranberries, almonds, brown sugar in there, strawberries, and coconut peanut butter, and a banana.
Alrighty, gyoza, really good. With the sauce too. I really like it. Tastes like gyoza. Or breakfast, and I've never had that. Strawberry is good. Just crackers with meat. That's delicious. Crackers a little soft, it's weird. She's enjoying. And pineapple juice with Fruit Loops. Delicious. Fruit Loops are delicious. And eating this. Wow. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Have papaya, watermelon, blueberries, pineapple, and strawberries. So pretty. And gyoza, scrambled eggs, and assorted pastries. This is just like some of them, and there's a lot of them.
They all taste really good. Pork and shrimp shawmai. It's okay, pretty good though. Yeah. The snacks portion of the lounge starts from 12 to 4, and it includes a variety of cookies and different types of fruits. 2 hours later. We're saying goodbye to Grand Hyatt Kauai. Bye-bye.
Hello. So, that ends our vlog for today. So, thanks so much for watching our Grand Hyatt Lounge tour and review. I hope it was interesting. So, I hope that you had fun watching, and you comment down below what you loved about it, and like, because we like you too. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe because we love your love. And until next time, we'll see you later in another Hawaii vlog.